Okay, welcome to TNR Sales and Sublet. We're looking at a 2023 Country Manor. Its model number is 100177. That is the Country Manor model number. And it's sandalwood with clay corners and white windows. I like the color scheme. Looks like tan shingles on the roof. I can't see them though. MSRP is about $85,000 nowadays for this model. It's a triple axle. Got a nice view out the front. Wait till you see inside. This thing will knock your socks off. It's a really nice floor plan. It's what I would call a flat floor super loft. There you go. There's a tour of the outside. Now we're gonna go inside. Sorry about the wind noise. Can't do nothing about it. It's always windy up here in the spring. So this is a 2023 Fairmont Country Manor, model 100177, and MSRP is roughly $85,000. So here we go. Here's the cool part. Check this out. A lot of features. Feature wall, fireplace, swing arm TV, table and 4 chairs, which is movable. How cool is that? That is not attached. Good view anywhere out the front. Nice coffee table. Be sure and hit like and subscribe if you like my videos. I put a lot of work into bringing them to you. There's a wine cooler. I love that. Nice big loft. Look at the size of the loft. It's half the trailer. Big stainless sink with the pull-out sprayer. Lots of drawers and doors for storage. Ceiling fan. These are stainless appliance. Some are gray, some are stainless, so I always try to mention what's what. Nice little pantry here. Look at all the storage in them. Lot. That's a lot. As far as park models are concerned, that's a lot of storage. You got a lot here. Bedroom's nicely done. I love the flooring. It's a plank wood type flooring. What you see is what you get. If you buy this trailer, this is exactly what you're gonna get. Nice little shelving. It's got an outlet, end table. It's at least a queen. Got room for plenty of a 60-inch TV there. You don't put them that big in the bedroom anyway. Nice closet with the closet rod. That is the electrical panel box, which is really nice and worth mention. All these Fairmonts, they store all your serial numbers for you and your model numbers of your appliances. And then of course you got your typical breaker box there. But this is nice. Gives you all the information and all the serial numbers and model numbers of your appliances and unit. Nice touch, Fairmont. Thank you. Gotta say, my hat's off to Fairmont. Okay, the bathroom. Nowadays, these park models have the greatest bathrooms. They're better than they've ever been. You got a lot of, they actually get you linen and towel storage in them now. Got shelves, cabinets, medicine cabinet. Depending on the model, you got a lot of storage going on. And then here's your shower only. It's a stand-up shower. Looks good to me, no complaint. Shower only. Got a window in the bathroom. All stainless appliances. Here's another big pantry. Everybody always asks about washer dryers. Well, if you get one, you're going to lose a closet. And this does not have a washer dryer hookup. Better off going down to the laundromat, in my opinion. Oh, we got to do the loft. Okay, up the stairs to the loft. Nice big loft. This is what I'd call a super loft. Flat floor super loft. That has got to be 4, 8, 12, at least 16 feet. And then 12 wide. So how many people can you stash in 16 feet by 12 wide? Quite a few. Okay, I'm going to go on to my next video. Hope you enjoyed this one. The plank wood linoleum is cool. The table moves. You got a fireplace. You got a coffee table. You got thermal pane windows. Swing arm TV. This baby's got it all. It's a Fairmont Country Manor model 100177, and MSRP is around $85. Hit like and subscribe and have a good day.